Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 8 and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start the chapter unit of measurement. And the lessons we are going to cover are convert rates and measurements customary unit, convert rate and measurements metric unit, mixed customary units, convert between customary and metric units. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is convert rates and measurements customary units. Okay, 88 pound equal how many ounces? £1 equal 16 ounces. So 88 pound equal 88 times 16, right? So the correct option is 1408 ounces. That means 88 pounds equal 1408 ounces, right? Right? That is option number 1. 11 pounds equal how many ounces? £1 equal 16 ounces, right? So then 11 pound equal 11 times 16, right? Eleven times 16 is 176 ounces, right? The correct option is 176 ounces, right? Okay, the next one is 32 ounces equal how many pounds? You have to divide because in 1 pound you have 16 ounces, right? You are given 32 ounces, right? So that equals, the correct option is 2 pounds. 32 ounces equals 2 pounds, right? The correct option is 2. Okay, 16 ounces equal how many pounds? 16 ounces equal. Very good. That would be equal 1 pounds. Okay, 84 quarts equal how many gallons? 1 quart equal 4 gallons, right? 1 gallon equal 4 quarts, right? So you have to divide it by the 4. 1 gallon equal 1 gallon equal 4 quarts, right? You have to go from quarts to gallons, so you have to divide it by the 4. 84 divided by 4 is 21 gallons. That means in 84 quarts you have 21 gallons. The correct option is 21. 69 teaspoons equal how many tablespoons? Yes, that equals 13. 1 tablespoon equal 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons, right? You can note them down. 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons, right? So then 69 teaspoon equals 69 over 3, that would be 13. That means 69 teaspoons equal 13 tablespoons, right? 23? Yes, when you divide 69 by 3, that would be 23. The correct option is 23. Okay. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. The next lesson is convert rates and measurements metric units. Okay. 280 milliliters equal how many centiliters? So you have to convert from milliliters to milliliters. So 1 milliliter equal 10 milliliters. 1 milliliter equal 10 milliliters, right? So you are given in milliliters. That would be then 280 divided by 10. So that would be 28 milliliter. The correct option is 28 centiliter, not milliliter, right? The correct option is 28. Yes, it is 28. 802 liters equal how many milliliters? That is a conversion from liters to milliliters, right? So 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters, right? So yes, that would be 800 into thousands. That would be option 1 is the correct option. 846 grams equal how many milligrams, which is the correct option? 1 gram equal 1000 milligrams, right? So that it would be then 846 thousands. The correct option is 846 thousands. Got it? That would be 846 thousands, because 1 grams equal 1000 milligrams, right? Okay, 515 liters equal how many milliliters, which is the correct option? One liter equal 500 1000 milliliters, right? So the correct option is that would be 515,000. The second option is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is 40 milligrams equal how many centigrams? 40 milligrams equal 4 centigrams, right? The correct option is 4. 810 millimeter equal how many centimeters? The correct option is 81 centimeters, right? 810 millimeters equal 81 centimeters. The correct option is 81. Okay, 288 grams equal how many centigrams? 288 grams equal 228 to 28,800 centigrams, right? That would be the last option. Okay, 900 centigrams equal how many grams? 900 centigrams equal 9 grams. The correct option is 9. 429 liters equal, four hundred 29 liter equal, 4, 42,900 grams, right? 9,000, right? That would be 4,229,000 milliliters. 800 centimeter equal how many meters? That would be 8 meter. The correct option is 8. 585 meters equal how many centimeters? That would be 58,500 centimeters, right? 685 centiliter equal how many milliliters? The correct option is 685 centiliter equal 68,500 milliliters. Oh, you have to multiply it to the 10. That would be 6,850 only. Okay. The next one is 449 liters equal how many centiliters? That would be centiliters. That would be 4,490. That is option number 1. In 1 liter, you have 100 centiliters. That would be 44,900 centiliters, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is mixed customary units. Okay, let's just start with the Test questions. Okay, 11 tablespoons equal how many tablespoons and teaspoons? 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons, right? 1 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons, right? Here you have 11 divided by the 3, right? So 3 times 3 is 9 and here you have 2. That means you have 3 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons, right? Yes, that is 3 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is convert 22,719 feet to miles. So you have to convert from feet to miles, right? So in 1 feet, how many miles do we have? Miles to feet. So 1 mile equal 5,280 feet, right? So you have to convert from feet to mile, right? 1 mile equal 5,280 feet. So divide 22,719 by 5,280, right? That would be, when you divide, that would 4 miles, because when you divide 5,282, when you divide 22,719, that would be 4 times, and the remainder is, hold on, 5,280 times 4 is 21,120. 21,120 minus 22,719, that would be 1,599 feet. Got it? The correct option is option number 1, that is 4 and 1,599. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, the next one is 3 pounds and 2 ounces. You have to convert it into the ounces, right? We know that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 pound equal 16 ounces. 1 pound equal 16 ounces. So you are given 3 pounds. So 3 times 16 is 48. And then you have to add 48 pounds. You already have 2 pounds. So 48 plus 2 is 50 pounds. So the correct option is 50 pounds. Got it? That is 50. The correct option is 50 pounds. Ounces, sorry, not pounds. Okay, the next one is 1 yard, 1 feet, which is the correct option. That is a conversion from yards to feet, right? One 1 yard equal 3 feet, I think. Yes, 1 yard equal 3 feet. So you have 1 yard. That is 3 feet. We have 1 feet. So 3 plus 1 is 4 feet. So the correct option is 4 feet. Right? So it is 4 feet. Okay, the next one is 14 pints. That is from quarts to pint, right? And I think 1 quart equal 2 pints. 1 quart equal, yes, 1 quart equal 2 pints. 1 quart equal 2 pints. So you have 14 pints. Just divide it by the 2, that would be 14 quarts. So you have 14 quarts. The correct option is 14 quarts, right? So that would be 7. You have to divide it by the 2, right? That would be 7. Okay, 79 inches. You have to convert from feet to inches. 1 feet equal 12 inches. So divide 79 by 12. 12 times 6 is 72 and you have 7. That means you have 6 feet and 7 inches. The correct option is 6 feet and 7 inches. That is 6 feet and 7 inches. Option 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, 3 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. Which is the correct option? The correct option is in 1 teaspoon you have, in 1 tablespoon you have 3 teaspoons, right? So you have to do 1 tablespoon equal 3 teaspoons, right? So you have 3 tablespoons, 3 times 3 and plus 2. So that would be 9 and 2, 11 teaspoons, right? It would be then 11 teaspoons. The correct option is 11. Okay, the next one is 13,076, 13,075 yards. 1 mile equal, I think 1,760. 1 mile to yards. Yards to mile. 1 mile equal 1,760 yards, right? So just divide 13,075 by 1,760. It is 13,075 divided by 1,760. It would be 7 miles and 755 yards, right? That would be 7 miles and 755 yards, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is convert between customary and metric units. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. How many kilograms are there in 8 pounds, right? And we know that 1 pound equals 0.454. So what you have to do? You have to do simply 8 times 0.454. So the correct option is the correct option is 3.2, right? You have to multiply 8 times 0.484 is times 0.454. That is 3.6, not 3.2, right? The correct option is 3.6. Okay, the next one is how many liters are there in 2 gallons? And 1 gallon equal 3.8 liters. So you have to do which is the correct option? The correct option is 7.6, right? You need to do 2 times 3.8, so that would be 7.6. You can even use calculator to multiply, right? So okay. Okay, 2 teaspoons is how much milliliters, which is the correct option? 1 teaspoon equal 4.9 milliliters. So which is the correct option? You have to do 2 times 4.9. So 2 times 4.9 is 9.8. The correct option is 9.8. Okay, how many teaspoons are there in 6 milliliters? So which is the correct option? You have to do 6 times 0.2, right? So it would be 1.2. How many feet are there in 3 meters? 1 meter equal 3.3 feet. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 9.9. The correct option is 9.9. Very good. How many yards are there in 5 centimeters? That is 0.1. The correct option is 0.1. 9 kilometers is same as how many miles? Which is the correct option? That is 5.6. The correct option is no 5.4, not 5.6, right? 9 kilometer is same as how many miles? The correct option is 5.4. Okay, how many centimeters are there in 2 inches? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 5. Very good. How many 3 inches is the same as how many centimeters? Yes, that is 7.5, right? The correct option is 7.5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we are working on grade 8 math. The chapter we are working on is unit of measurements, and the lessons we have covered today are convert rates and measurements customary unit, convert rates and measurement metric unit, mixed customary units, and convert between customary and metric units, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.